Hello, friends. Today, we're exploring some incredible new kitchen gadgets that will transform your cooking experience. From time-saving tools to clever innovations, these gadgets are a must-have for any foodie. Watch as we test them out and share tips for making the most of your kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more kitchen inspiration. So friends, let's start the video. Knife set. Upgrade your kitchen with the Henkel's premium quality 15-piece knife set with block, designed for precision and durability. This set includes high-quality stainless steel knives for all your culinary needs, from slicing and dicing to peeling and chopping. The knives feature single-piece stamped blade construction for superior sharpness and long-lasting performance. Ergonomic triple-riveted handles ensure a comfortable grip and balanced control. The set includes a paring knife, utility knife, serrated knife, bread knife, chef's knife, and more, along with 6 steak knives. A sturdy hardwood block provides safe and stylish storage. Each knife is lightweight yet strong, ensuring effortless handling. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, though hand washing is recommended for longevity. Perfect for both beginner and experienced cooks, this set combines practicality and elegance for every kitchen. Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet Blender is a compact and versatile kitchen tool designed to simplify food preparation. Its powerful 250-watt motor effortlessly blends, chops, and grinds a variety of ingredients, from smoothies and sauces to dips and dressings. The set includes multiple cups and lids, making it convenient for both preparation and on-the-go use. Its stainless steel crossblade ensures consistent, efficient results every time. The one-touch operation allows for quick and easy use, perfect for busy lifestyles. The cups are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Its compact design saves counter space, fitting seamlessly into any kitchen. The Magic Bullet is ideal for creating single-serve portions, reducing waste, and maximizing convenience. Whether you're whipping up breakfast or a quick snack, it delivers reliable performance. Elevate your culinary experience with the Magic Bullet Blender. Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker. The Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make delicious frozen treats at home. With its powerful motor and unique Creamify technology, it transforms frozen bases into smooth, creamy ice cream, sorbet, gelato, and more. The unit features 7 one-touch programs, including options for sorbet, milkshake, and smoothie bowls. It comes with a 1.5-quart bowl capacity, perfect for making multiple servings of your favorite frozen desserts. The machine's easy-to-clean design ensures hassle-free maintenance, and its compact size makes it ideal for any kitchen. Whether you're craving indulgent ice cream or healthier alternatives, the Creamy delivers restaurant-quality results with minimal effort. The innovative blade system ensures consistent texture and prevents icy crystals. The Creamy Ice Cream Maker is compatible with a variety of frozen bases, offering endless customization possibilities. Its sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Enjoy homemade frozen treats in the comfort of your own home with the Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker. Potato Ricer. Effortlessly create smooth, fluffy mashed potatoes with the Priority Chef large 15-ounce potato ricer. Designed with a large capacity bowl, it holds up to 15 ounces of potatoes, making meal prep faster and easier. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this ricer is durable, rust-resistant, and built to last. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during use. Perfect for potatoes, it's also versatile for mashing other vegetables like carrots, cauliflower, and yams. The perforated basket design delivers consistent, lump-free results every time. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it's a breeze to maintain. Ideal for home chefs and anyone who loves smooth, creamy textures. Enhance your kitchen tools with this must-have gadget, perfect for creating restaurant-quality sides and dishes at home. Large Ice Sphere Maker. The Samuel World Premium Ice Tray Combo is the ultimate solution for crafting large, long-lasting ice for your drinks. This set includes a sphere ice maker and giant cube trays, perfect for chilling whiskey, cocktails, and more with minimal dilution. Made from food-grade BPA-free silicone, these trays are safe, durable, and easy to use. The flexible material allows for effortless ice release without cracking. Each tray is designed for optimal water flow, ensuring crystal clear, professional quality ice every time. The set's compact design saves freezer space while accommodating multiple trays. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, they simplify maintenance. Ideal for entertaining, the elegant spheres and cubes add a sophisticated touch to any drink. Great for both everyday use and special occasions, this set makes an excellent gift. Elevate your beverage experience with the Samuel World Premium Ice Tray Combo.